Hi, my name is King Shuk. My friends and colleagues call me King. Throughout the week, I work for a firm as a consultant and try to make use of most of the days of leave a year, including the weekends, by traveling, exploring, and chasing whatever nature has to offer, be it a sunrise, a sunset, or even chasing to find what is there on the other side of the hill or mountain. I live in this bustling and beautiful city called Bangalore. Living in Bangalore has its own perks. You get this awesome weather, a mixed culture, and a variety of food, and more food, some of the best cafes and pubs in the country, and lots more. Making all these plans work out is Hemja, my partner in all the things good and bad. After a long wait due to the pandemic, it was on one such time when we decided to go on a trip and do something that we have never done before. We did some research and found out some kind of hidden culture that is present in a small and beautiful town called Mulki in the very state of Karnataka. You guessed it right, it is the surfing culture of Mulki, which existed in our own country long before anyone knew about it. But before starting our journey, we need to get a few gears for surfing, which includes a wetsuit, a quality and trusty rash guard to protect our skin. What's up, guys? We are at this NH75, which seems to be the shortest route from Bangalore to Mangalore or Mulki. The route distance is around 380 kilometers up till Mulki, and we drove and completed almost half of the journey and stopped here for a quick stretch to our spine and joints. So there is this place called the Samrama Hotel in the Bangalore highway itself, a few kilometers after passing the Neelamangala junction. We had some freshly prepared and piping hot delicious idlis and varas with sambar and chutney. The food is always great here, and we are anyway a great fan of South Indian breakfast. And again, South Indian breakfast is incomplete without an awesome cup of filter coffee. After filling out our tummies, we started again, and the road so far has been amazing till Hassan. Post Hassan, we encountered a bad and a rough patch of road, but it was a very small patch of road, so it does not make that much difference. After Hassan, the roads narrowed down to this kind of a single lane without any dividers, but the condition of the road is good, and that solves the purpose, and hope this continues. Suppose this, we will be, I think, reaching the Ghat section, and I heard that the scenic beauty while driving in the Ghat section is amazing. So yeah, hoping to see that, hoping to experience that. So yeah, that's that, and see you until then.